Here we are on beautiful West Bay Beach in Roatan. Great day of snorkeling here. Water is mesmerizing today. In fact, you can see coral right down here. All kinds of fun happening. Today we're aboard the White Wolf snorkel boat with Captain King. This is the captain. He's got a fly on West Bay Beach by Infinity Bay. He'll be aboard this boat and he'll take you snorkeling to places just like this. And we can see the fish swimming by here. There's a big one. Lots of fish just all around the boat today. Yeah. Cleaning the boat for us. So we've got a cooler full of water to rinse off with. Got the towels here hanging. Got the snorkel gear provided by the boat. Oh, and here comes the Roatan Reef Explorer, a little submarine ride you can take. Or you can come with us and get right in the water. Absolutely fantastic here on West Bay Beach. A couple people out snorkeling. This is what West Bay Beach is normally like without the cruise ships here. Not so busy. You've got this guy. Fish all around. Come join us on the White Wolf in West Bay with Captain King.